Welcome back to the Jade Dragon Podcast, where we explore the ancient wisdom of Chinese medicine, meditation, and the art of living well in our modern world. I'm David Lloyd, your guide on this journey through the profound depths of meditation and natural health. Today, we'll dive into a topic that many of us can relate to, sleep, and how meditation can be the key to a deeper, more restful night. If you've been struggling with restless nights or are simply looking to improve the quality of your sleep, stay with me. This episode is for you. Let's begin by exploring why sleep is so essential. We all know the feeling of waking up after a good night's sleep, refreshed, alert, ready to take on the day. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's a time when our body repairs, our mind consolidates memories, and our spirit finds calm. Yet, in our fast-paced world, achieving that deep, rejuvenating sleep can feel like an elusive goal. This is where meditation comes in, a practice rooted in stillness, offering a way to quiet the mind and prepare it for rest. But how does it work? Meditation, particularly mindfulness meditation, has a profound impact on our nervous system. When we meditate, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system. This helps counter the stress response, lowering heart rate and slowing down breathing, which are key signals that it's time for the body to rest. Studies have shown that regular meditation can increase melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. This means that by meditating, we can help our body align more closely with its natural rhythms. In the philosophy of Taoism, there is a concept called Jing, which translates to stillness or quietude. It's the idea that true rest comes not from the absence of movement, but from an internal state of calm. When the mind is still, like a pond undisturbed by wind, we can see clearly and settle into a deeper state of relaxation. This aligns beautifully with the goals of meditation for sleep. By focusing on stillness before bed, whether through breath awareness, guided visualization, or simply letting go of the day's worries, we create a space where sleep can naturally unfold. Now, let's delve into a couple of supplements that can also support your journey to better sleep: L-theanine and GABA. Both have been extensively studied for their calming effects on the brain and nervous system. L-theanine is an amino acid found naturally in green tea, known for promoting relaxation without causing drowsiness. Research shows that L-theanine increases alpha brainwaves, which are associated with a state of relaxation and mental clarity, similar to the effects of meditation. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that L-theanine supplementation helped reduce stress responses in adults, making it easier to unwind and transition into sleep. Additionally, a randomized, placebo-controlled trial found that taking 200 milligrams of L-theanine before bed improved sleep quality in people with mild sleep disturbances. GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a neurotransmitter that plays a critical role in calming the nervous system. It's known as the brain's natural brake pedal, helping to slow down neural activity and making it easier to shift from a state of wakefulness to sleep. Clinical studies have demonstrated that GABA supplements can help people fall asleep faster and experience deeper sleep. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Neurology showed that GABA supplementation significantly reduced sleep latency, or the time it takes to fall asleep, while increasing overall sleep duration. This makes it a powerful ally in the quest for restorative rest. By combining meditation with supplements like L-theanine and GABA, you can create a holistic approach to improving sleep quality. Meditation helps quiet the mind, while these natural compounds support the brain's ability to relax, creating the ideal conditions for a peaceful night's sleep. Let's take a moment to break down a simple meditation you can try before bed tonight. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down in bed. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. As you breathe, imagine a gentle wave washing over you, releasing any tension you might be holding in your body. Focus your attention on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your belly, the rhythm of the air entering and leaving your lungs. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. Continue this practice for 5 to 10 minutes, letting yourself sink deeper into relaxation with each breath. When you're ready, simply allow yourself to drift into sleep. For those interested in an extra boost, consider taking 200 milligrams of L-theanine or 100 to 300 milligrams of GABA about 30 minutes before you begin your practice. Pause for a moment and think about the last time you felt truly well rested. How did that change the way you approached your day? What if you could invite that sense of ease into your nightly routine, letting the stillness of meditation and the calming support of L-theanine or GABA guide you to rest each evening? As you practice, remember that meditation is not about perfection. It's about presence. If you can offer yourself even a few minutes of stillness, you'll be giving yourself the gift of better rest. In the hustle of our daily lives, it can be easy to forget the simple power of a quiet mind. But as we've explored today, meditation offers a pathway to deeper sleep, a chance to reconnect with that stillness within. And with the support of natural compounds like L-theanine and GABA, you can create an environment where true rest comes easily. Tonight, take a few minutes to breathe, let go, and see what difference it can make.